Guess what time it is? It's time for Little Fish Dragon Reviews. Welcome back, everybody. Little Fish here, bringing you some of the latest and greatest How to Train Your Dragons merchandise. Today, I will be sharing with you a few things that I have been collecting over the last few days. Some things that are kind of old, some things that are kind of new, but all of them are dragons related and really awesome. Now you might be wondering, well, we've already seen these Easter products. It's what's inside that counts. So let's hatch us some dragon eggs. Alright, let's start with dragon egg number 1. Toothless egg. I wonder what will be inside. And we have Hiccup. Now a few videos ago, you might remember that I got a whole bunch of Chupa Chups How to Train Your Dragon themed surprise eggs. I didn't get Hiccup back then, but I was able to get him this time, along with 2 others in the other 2 eggs. So this is the Russian Chupa Chups chocolate surprise egg Hiccup. He comes with a base, so he can stand up. Pretty cool. Next up, the Stormfly egg. I think you can guess who might be inside here. If you guessed Astrid, you are right. Astrid also comes with a plastic base. She's got a little hole in her foot, so you could peg her on. Let's take a closer look. And this is the Chupa Chups exclusive Astrid Figure. Very nice. I'll put that down, and I'm very excited to open up the 3rd egg because this one I wanted the most. I think you can guess who's in this one. The Sleeping Toothless. Oh, give me a second and I will assemble him. There's actually a groove in there that you attach the wing to. Kind of hard to get in there. Okay, those wings were a little harder to get in than I expected. Just gotta add his tail, and like a puzzle piece, it fits in. Looks like we might have a little problem because there's this little peg right there that doesn't fit in. So I'm just gonna go shave that down. Whew, this Toothless was harder to put together than I expected. So I got that little nub off, and we'll just stick the tail right in. And we have Sleeping Toothless, or just dozing or lazying about Toothless. These are so detailed and so small. Very nice. And this is his bottom. And how about we get the whole gang together? Gang's all here. These are the 8 out of 10 figures that you can collect from the Chupa Chups chocolate surprise eggs. I love these figures, they're so awesome. I'm so sad that they weren't released in America, but hey, I guess that's what the internet is for, right? Now on to the jumbo egg. Alright, so let's crack this egg open. So what have we got? Some cool goodies, that's for sure. When How to Train Your Dragon 2 came out on DVD, a fast food chain called Carl's Jr.'s, also affiliated with Hardees, who unfortunately didn't sell the toys, had a few promotional items for How to Train Your Dragon 2. They had a Toothless Figure. Of course, you can't really see them very good on the bag. A card set, tattoo booklet, and wristbands. Now, I don't have any Carl's Jr.'s or Hardees. It seems that they're only in the South or the Midwest, or just the West. I think I got these from California. And Hardees just didn't have them. I had so many people checking for me. So let's take a look. This is a Toothless figure. I like to call him the Idol Toothless, because he looks like something that you get on a trophy. He's shiny, metallic silver, and very lightweight. So I think he is just coated plastic. I'll show you a little bit more of the detailing. His tail is carved in, as well as the back nubs to his head. So if it looks like he's missing something, they just kind of drew it in right there. Instead of having them poking up where they could probably break off, it's just kind of carved into his head. So this is the Toothless Figure, who I like to call Idle Toothless. Next we have the Cool Kids Combo Card Set, Dragon Showdown. It's just a deck of cards with How to Train Your Dragon 2 pictures on them, as well as, I believe they made up a game for it. So if you would like to learn how to play Dragon Showdown, pause the video here and take a look. There are more rules, so once again, at this moment, just pause the video and take a look. And let's see what kind of pictures we have on the cards. Number 1, of course, is Hiccup and Toothless. These are really nice pictures. Number 2 is Astrid. So those are all the cards, and on the back is the same picture as the box to play a little game of Dragon's Showdown. And lastly for this video, this one's kind of an oldie but goodie. When How to Train Your Dragon 1 first came out in 2010, in Asia, more specifically Japan, they came out with little charms. These charms were found, I believe, on the soda Pepsi, or Pepsi Next, and I only just finally found one after all these years of searching. I'm so excited. These are based off of Bear Bricks, which is kind of a vinyl figure keychain company, and they make all sorts of bear-shaped brick-type figures, and this one is supposed to be Hiccup. Let's take a closer look. This was the insert that came in the package. It gives the date of the movie's release, as well as the name of the movie, Hiccup and Toothless. It also gives more information about the movie and the Dreamworks collection, the Pepsi Next and Paramount campaign. There were 12 different figures in this set to collect, only 2 of which were How to Train Your Dragon. They had Hiccup and Toothless. The rest were from different movies distributed by Paramount. I do believe that there are also other Dreamworks characters in bear brick form. I do believe that there might be a few from Madagascar, as well as Shrek. So let's take a closer look at this bear brick. It's got a dangle strap for a cell phone or your keychain. He's got the symbol on his helmet. It's got the movie info on the back. His head moves. Let's try to clear up the picture a little bit. Arms move. It's kind of like a Lego figure, only he's got a bear-type head. His legs move, so he can sit down and watch the rest of the video. Oh, actually, he doesn't really sit down all that well. And actually, taking a closer look, he's got a little bear nose too. Don't know if you can see it on this video, but it's there, and it's adorable. So this is the Bear Brick Hiccup, released in 2010 for How to Train Your Dragon. And I'm so glad I finally found him. What a great assortment, Dragon Riders! It's a lot of little things, and from all over the world too. We have from Russia, Japan, America. What do you guys think? Make sure to put that in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, you can follow me on Tumblr and Instagram. And until next time, Dragon Riders,